try to teach and to promote. And so the whole atmosphere was always very charged in some way. The ideal would be this thing going all the way down to the ground, where you can just start drawing, and then you take it off and you put another one on this. So you have this beautiful wall on the other side and on the back, but we don't have the wrapping paper today. We'll get it into what time to where you sit on it and you go back and forth. But it has to have a saddle of some sort, and the child have to be sitting on this saddle. And for children between the age of 3 and 5, which is a kind of official time frame that psychologists and so work with, 3 to 5, and something that allows exercise to a certain degree, teaches things like balance and so forth. So it's going to be something that how do we deal with this? We can say, well, this is only for adults, this is only for pros and cons between wide and narrow wheels. But you think the racing bicycles
They may be lucky.
Or really loud. Or it could be really loud.
concept to anybody who doesn't know what this is.
Another one, yeah.
For a child, they have to really learn this, and it can hurt when they
But also,
what's semantics figure out how to use it somehow. Why
yeah.
But like you said, there is a different understanding.
Well, I just stopped him because he was asking if he can look when you say looks.
Sharp. Meaning that, I think I said once, there is no recipe to it. You can never say, well, this is what it is, because you have to expose it to those people.
Attributes way soft, like they are soft, technical, sport, simple, and elegant. And then
That's making it heavier. So what if you only have one, and then you kind of modify the rear wheel, and the front one is a separate one, steerable anyway. And I don't want to take too many ideas away from you, but you can hold on to the basic concept, form, with a bit more coordination and a bit more electricity put in there, and then you've got something. So I'm very interested in hearing what you want to say, justifying that.
The size?
Well, it's not the size of the whole thing. It's your presentation now.